Alright, so last screw is, of course, biting. Yeah, nope, not behaving. You're not even in the hole there, buddy.
I can't see, so.
Well, it makes two of us.
Yeah. Well, we knew you were getting old.
Well,
Let me see. Alright, let's go.
See that?
Okay.
To do a full inspection on the vehicle. And it takes about a 3-hour process.
Okay, so we've been beating this off. The screw does not want to cooperate for the condenser. But we had to beat the other one out too. Like somebody cranked the crap out of it and made it put...
Honestly, let me see that.
You bang it, and I'm gonna put the wrench on it. Bang her softly. Nope, it's popping out. I hate flatheads.
Yeah, I don't know what's other people still trying to use those.
And the factory used it in 1894. Nope. We got a wider.
Yeah.
Let's get a wide and short
Wide and short.
screwdriver with a hex on it. And these are your good snap-ons.
Yeah.
Let me go look at my good gear wrench thing too.
All right, well, we'll show you guys the aftermath. Found a cute one.
Yeah, it ain't gonna benefit us either way. We might have to take the Dremel of that little bastard. That thing's in there, dude. Stupid.
He loves it.
Sometimes. Not today.
Not today. Maybe
Anyway.
maybe tomorrow.
My 3/8 wrench and my 5/16 spare over there. Thank you,
There
sir.
you go.
Thank you, sir.
All
This
right.
is your 10.
Guess we'll see how this goes, huh?
I know we have the same sets, but I don't want to get mixed up, you know. You know?
What you unbolting there?
Just getting the wiring off of the coil because we got to change it too.
Oh, we got a nice one.
We got a nice blue streak. We put blue streaks on everything because they're not junk.
Blue streak in them.
And the Petronics, that's better than the blue streak's better coil than the Petronics coils.
Is it?
Yeah, and it costs less.
Good to know.
The Petronics ones are a little hot for a regular non-performance application. You're a non-performance application.
Sometimes. Depends on the day.
Depends how many gas station boner pills you have.
Don't need those.
I've never taken gas station ones. Anyway,
Rambling off.
rambling into the nothingness. Let me get this one off too while we're here.
Get it, get it. Whoop, whoop.
Maybe if I could see the damn thing. Of course. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. Bitch is in there. Alright. It's our power.
Technically, you loosen it up when you put the new one in.
Yep, we can pull the coil bracket off and just kind of give it a quick clean.
Just a
Quick little clean. Let me go get a socket. We'll pull that off.
sounds good.
Actually.
And then
I wonder if I can just get my wrench in here and call it a day. Yep.
look at that. We got new coil, new rotor, cap,
Cap,
electronics, wires.
plugs, all the goodies.
That's what I'm talking about. And a fresh carburetor.
Mm-hmm.
And a new air filter.
Yep, because it never even had an air filter in it. Which is kind of scary. I think it might be doing valve cover gaskets too. I'm not 100% sure. Because I don't remember, so I'll have to look at the list. Because it was a few weeks ago when we inspected this, so... Who knows at this point? I don't remember.
You lose it? Ah!
That's why we have a list.
I don't remember seeing valve cover seals on there.
Yeah, I don't think it's the other one that needs a full reseal because it's leaking out everything. The other 59.
We got the two-door convertible. And then we had a four-door hardtop.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm getting this off. God, longest bolt ever. That is a long bolt. There we go.
Cool.
Alrighty.
Well, he's gonna keep on playing with that screw. I'm gonna go clean that, get it ready,
Put a fresh coil in it.
and
Make baggy.
I'm gonna clean the.
Actually, I'm gonna put that in here because it's all ignition related. So
Okay.
we'll have ignition live together
Okay,
in harmony.
sounds good. But we'll get back to you guys a bit later.
There you go.